Hey guys, it's Erica here from Big Cat Creative, and today we're going to talk about why Squarespace is one of the best choices for building your website, especially as a small business owner. Now, we have experimented with tons of other platforms, and we do have more direct comparisons to those other popular website builders, as in Squarespace versus Shopify versus WordPress versus Wix, and even Etsy over on our blog. And we also have a guide helping you to decide which is the best website builder for you to use specifically for your circumstances. So if you're still tossing up between all of those different website builders, I know there is a ton, then definitely check out those resources. I will link them all below. But today we're focusing on just Squarespace, which is our fave, and it's the platform that we recommend the most to small businesses. And we're just talking about the main reasons it is so great for small businesses and some of the key features that we love. So let's just jump right into it.
The first reason why Squarespace is so great for small business owners is the ease of use that you get when using the platform. So Squarespace was built with the DIY user in mind. They give you all of the necessary tools, but don't overcomplicate anything or give you too many options to choose from. And with the new Fluid Engine editor, creating a basic design in Squarespace is literally as easy as drag and drop. You can add all different types of content, images, icons, text, even videos. You can resize things and change the layout, move things around within sections. And it's super simple to alter or make changes to a section really easily without a lot of fuss and without having to start over from scratch. You also have the option to add some more complex features with just a few tweaks, and the back end of Squarespace is super easy to learn and easy to navigate. Being able to make your own changes and updates to your site is an incredible asset as a small business owner. Hiring someone every single time you need to make changes can be really, really costly and honestly a waste of time that you probably don't even have. Another reason why Squarespace is so great is that it's basically like an all-inclusive resort, aka an all-in-one platform. Everything you could possibly need to build your website is included and already built into the platform. You can send emails or add a blog. You can create an e-commerce store and super easily add your products and create a beautiful sales page for them. You can create your own unique course if there's a topic that you want to teach people about or a service that you offer that you want to educate people further on. You can do that all within the platform by adding in your own lessons and modules, including things like videos and downloadable links. You can create a portfolio showcasing all of the incredible work your business does. The list truly goes on and on. Squarespace has a tool for pretty much anything. And this is so great because it means that everything having to do with your online business can be kept in the same place rather than split up between a bunch of different third-party platforms. Next up is security. Squarespace is what is called a closed source platform, and they also directly host all of their sites. So all of that means that everything you use is completely safe and integrated within the platform. This is super important because you don't have to worry about any extra companies coming in and getting access to your information. Your website is completely safe and secure, and even any updates or security measures that are taken are done within the platform by the people who know Squarespace best. In addition to that, Squarespace also provides free SSL certificates for every single website. This ensures that every connection to your site is secure. That means that your data and all of your site visitors' data are completely safe, which is invaluable as a small business owner. And finally, probably one of the greatest parts about Squarespace is their customer support. One of our absolute favorite things about Squarespace is that they have completely free support. Yes, you heard that right, free support. So if you ever get stuck, it's really good to know that there's a team dedicated to responding to your questions and helping you out as best as they can. They also have an extremely extensive library of detailed tutorials and guides covering literally anything and everything to help you out on your DIY journey. If you get stuck in any way with your website, all you have to do is come to the help center, type in your keywords, and you'll be able to find a ton of help. So that pretty much wraps up the main reasons why we think Squarespace is so incredible for small business owners. But honestly, there are so many more reasons. Squarespace is really such an amazing platform. And the best part is you can start a website on a 2-week free trial. So you can go on, start things up, and see how incredible it is for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every single week, and we hope to see you in the next one.